Hey guys, so we have a little skincare video for you, and
it's like skin and health.
It's skin and health. Remember we said we're gonna do more health benefit videos, stuff where you guys can learn something, things that we like to do in our life or try to do starting now.
Some of our secrets, some of our beauty and health secrets.
Well, I'm gonna let you guys know. So I got this
skin
rash.
disorder?
No, it's a skin virus, and it's called Rosacea. I think I butchered that name, but where it's gonna be down here.
Yeah.
And what it is pretty much it goes between the ages of anywhere from 10 to 35 can catch it, and it's just like getting a cold, but it just turns out on your skin, and there's not enough.
It can also cause miscarriages.
It can cause miscarriages, and there's not enough studies in it to prove like what causes it, but they do know that it's supposedly not contagious, and it goes away anywhere between, some people can get it for 5 months, 10 weeks, depending on, there's really nothing you can do though, except for apply a topical steroid. So
some people that have it said you can even go tanning.
Yeah,
even if it's fake and bacon, you know that's bad, but supposedly
the sun is good for it. So I actually did go tanning because of that. I'm gonna keep doing it because that's supposedly the best one. I'm like aloe vera. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like just like little rashes, and it's like,
we'll throw a picture up here of kind of what it looks like.
All over. It's itchy and it's so uncomfortable. That's the worst of it though. I also got prescribed this medication that I have to take 5 times a day, and it's very, very, I think it's strong. It's crazy. Like, look at these pills, guys.
They're like horse pills. They're pretty big. They're really huge, actually.
Yeah, and
they could choke you if you don't drink enough water.
5 times a day. But anyway, so I was talking to one of my girlfriends, and she said, you know, you should drink apple cider vinegar. And I know it has so many health benefits. And we used to drink it, but I never did it consistently enough. But at this point, I'm trying everything because I want this thing to be gone. It's very comfortable. So we decided to do a little video on the benefits of apple cider vinegar.
Just 20 benefits, but there's so many more that we're not gonna name. But there's yeah.
And it's controversial. Like, you could drink it. Tea says like 2 times a day is great. Some people like to do it in the benefits of doing it. They benefit more from drinking in the morning, some before bed.
Well, it has different benefits. So at night, it has different benefits than in the morning.
She says 2 times a day to do it both. And I think that's fine. And you're gonna just do like what, a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons?
Exactly.
Okay.
Diluted with a little bit of water, because it can be kind of harsh.
We're gonna take ours right now.
We are.
And we're gonna dedicate ourselves to doing this every day.
Yeah, I actually did take it for like, it helped my skin and it helped my nails.
We're gonna go into the benefits of it.
Yeah. I didn't do it at night, actually. I can't remember if I did. I might have. I definitely did it in the morning, for sure, 100% consistently.
Yeah.
But I know it has different benefits at night than it does for daytime. So anyways, I recommend doing it. Well, I can't recommend anything because I'm not a doctor, but that's what I recommend for myself, and I would do it day and night.
The brands that they come in are pretty much, they're controversial in the sense that Bragg was supposedly like a really good brand, and it was, though, there was like some sort of a recall or something on it. I don't know if it's true or not, so I don't even want to use that, but I just went with this brand that has the mother, which is very important, and it's organic. So I went with this one. It's just after tea's finished pouring it, we'll just
okay, so
what it is.
This is about, I want to say it's about a tablespoon. There's 2 ways you can take it. You can put like a quarter of a shot glass. Yeah, it's like a quarter. It's like a little over a quarter, actually. So you can either take it like this if you don't want to like sip it or have to do the torture of the taste of it, because some people are not going to like it.
I
really don't care
with
for
water. It suggests to dilute with water.
Yeah, you
not drink it by itself.
No,
it burns.
But what I'm saying is, you want to put like about a quarter, and then the rest of it water, and then you just shoot it, and then drink water afterwards. Or you can do like I did with Jess, and you put your tablespoon, whatever in there, and then just put water in there. But then see, you have more to drink, and sometimes this is what happens to me. That's why I stopped, because after a while you kind of just don't.
It tastes disgusting.
It's just gross.
It's not a good
even if you don't mind in the beginning, it just starts to taste like. And it's like first thing in the morning, but it's not that bad. It's tolerable. It's just I'd rather put it in a shot glass with a little bit of water, and then just drink water down to wash it.
Yeah, just shoot it.
I feel like that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put water.
And now I'm gonna drink mine. Here's the good skin.
Yeah. It's actually not that bad. It makes your mouth water.
Very acidic.
Even though it's acidic, it actually somehow like.
I like acidic. I love lemons and stuff.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's gonna help us out.
But I believe it ends up alkalining. Even though it is acidic, it ends up somehow alkalining your body.
Yes.
Which I don't know the science behind that, but it does. Also, the fact that Jess is gonna start, because we had to write it down just to make sure we cover as much as possible. Yeah. And we don't want to miss anything, any of them. But this thing, I'm telling you guys, it's so amazing. So let's just go ahead and jump into this video. Jess is gonna start with the first one. Before we jump in, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this from us. And also subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so you guys don't miss our videos and our giveaways, because we usually do a lot of giveaways.
We do.
Okay, so go ahead, Jess. What's the first one?
Okay, so now this little, let's call it ACV.
Okay.
For short.
For short. Yeah.
ACV, let's see if I remember that.
ACV.
ACV, it's rich in potassium, which is good for your muscles and the heart. I mean, you could eat bananas too, but I mean, how important
Potassium is like, oh my God. There's a book on potassium. I can't remember I think it's The Miracle of Potassium or something.
Sorry, dolls. I got way ahead of myself. I actually meant magnesium, not potassium.
Unbelievable. It's like a miracle.
It's really good too if you have an upset stomach, and it just kind of, you know, solidifies it, so it's not.
Especially like if you work out, you're gonna sweat a lot, so you lose a lot of potassium. You need to drink, or not drink, like eat a banana, or if you have apple cider vinegar, just have that, because if you're not gonna have bananas around, you'll always have apple cider vinegar. It's not gonna rot on you.
Apple cider vinegar, it promotes an alkaline body. So,
which was what I was kind of mentioning earlier.
Yeah, so alkaline, you know how we drink the King and water, which is alkaline water.
Which you can, shameless plug, find at kingandwaterenergy.com.
And this will help your body to be alkaline. So number 3, it's also antifungal. You could use this topically, like people do, like when they have the athlete's feet, they actually do like a little foot scrub with this.
Soak.
Like, yeah, a soak, just put it in one of those little basins and you put your feet in it. Thank God we don't have that problem. But you know what? You drink it too. And
yeah, it's better to, you can do both. I feel like topically, if you drink internally, it's gonna heal you internally from having that stinky feet.
Yeah.
But then if you want a quick fix, you can soak your feet. But I would definitely drink it too.
Yeah.
You know.
It improves digestion. You want to elaborate on that?
Yeah, because, well, your stomach is like acidic, and I think it's acidic to the level of the same as an apple cider vinegar. So it just, I don't know the science behind it, but it definitely improves digestion. And I believe it cleans the walls of your intestines.
It's also antibacterial. Again, topically, you could use it if you have a pimple, like spots on your face, a cut. It's amazing. I mean, it might burn a little bit, but
it's great as a toner.
Yeah. Yes.
It's an amazing toner. I used to have like a.
It smells, but that's the only problem.
But it goes away quick.
Yeah.
So you can put it in like a little bottle. You know those little bottles that you got like Rite Aid or Walgreens, a dollar store, pretty much anywhere. Get one of those little squirt your face, or just squirt it on a cotton ball, dab it on your face.
And that's it. And it's just the smell that bothered me about it to put on it, but it does go away, like Teresa said.
And our skin is slightly acidic, so it is great. Like even if you just squirt it all over your body, I'm not even kidding. Like after you shower, you just squirt it all over your body. The smell goes away. Yes,
it actually helps with that. With like people, they put it like on the armpits or the feet, wherever there's gonna be odor, because it naturally deodorizes everything. Like it just, you know, which is good. But I don't know if you can
put it in your.
No, you cannot do that.
It's too acidic, so I think you gotta kind of avoid that spot.
Just your underarms and your feet.
Yeah,
I wouldn't personally do that one, but you know, other people might.
No, but
I've seen people that like to do that.
Can you? I don't think.
No, like some people use it as a deodorant. No, not like a deodorant or like in their feet.
Yeah, but I'm saying downstairs. You couldn't do it because it would
absolutely not.
It's too acidic.
No.
Yeah.
No. Okay. All right. Number 6, it reduces acid reflux. Now,
that's true, because I used to have really bad acid reflux. That's originally how I started drinking that.
Is that why?
Yeah. That was the first thing that caused me to start drinking it, and it really helped.
Well, the reason for that too is it balances your blood sugar and improves diabetes, because it balances your blood sugar. So that's a good one too for people that suffer with that.
Especially because there's so many people that suffer from diabetes like these days.
I think I'm gonna be one of those people soon, because I love sugar.
Because of the American diet. Or non-diet, should I say.
Number 7, it promotes heart health by reducing cholesterol, which a lot of people suffer from again.
Huge.
Especially in the US, we're so overweight.
And it also suppresses your appetite.
Oh, yeah.
It does suppress your appetite. Then you're not going to crave as much junk and crap. I don't know what it does, but it definitely suppresses your appetite from eating yucky stuff.
Number 8, this is the one that the reason I started doing it, it's because it promotes good and clear skin. And
it really does.
It's all from internal. You know, you just start drinking it and it will hopefully clear this up faster.
Especially like if you're young and teen, like teens always have acne problems, and if
from the hormones.
Yes. This will help your hormones and your bloodstream, everything. I'm telling you guys, especially because when you're a teen, you reach for that greasy pizza, those cheeseburgers, hamburgers. Well, I'm vegan, I don't reach for any of that anymore.
I do.
But you know, you're eating chocolate and all kinds of crap that's just tearing up the inside of your immune system, which is showing up on your face.
Yeah,
you know? So
everything you eat and put into your body shows up on your skin. Unfortunately. Okay, doke. What's the next? Number 9. Oh, it's a treatment for warts. Use it topically. Can you believe that?
I actually used to have warts as a kid. I don't know what the heck happened to it. I remember one time I accidentally cut one off. Right?
Ew!
No, on accident. I like ran something and just cut it off and it just never came back. And I used to have it like on my fingers. A lot of kids get warts on their fingers. I don't know what the cause is from that.
That is really interesting. That's one skin thing I have not gotten, thank God.
Maybe I was just a really dirty kid. But that didn't change.
She's a witch.
And I still don't have.
What it is.
I still don't have warts now. It's still dirty.
Okay, number 10. It strengthens hair. You could use it as a rinse in your shower. It makes it so shiny, breakage, good for dandruff. And then you just, condition. I know some people that just rinse it and not put anything over it. I personally would want to do it first and then like put a conditioner, only because of the smell. But it doesn't stay. It doesn't smell.
Yeah, it goes away.
Yeah,
it just smells in the initial application. After a couple minutes, it goes away.
It's just the thing with the thought. But okay, number 11. It promotes weight loss.
Again, because it suppresses your appetite and it also detoxifies you, flushes out a lot of crap that shouldn't be in your body.
And who doesn't want to lose weight?
Yes.
This one is good for me too. I suffer from this. It sinus congestion. It helps to break up the mucus.
That's true.
Which I always have because I have bad allergies.
It does the opposite, right? Because if you eat cheese or drink milk, unless it's almond milk and cheese create tons of mucus in your body. So that's why when you're sick, you're not supposed to drink that. So stay away from it. And if you can't help yourself, then you definitely eat some of this.
You cannot take it. It's so bad for it. It really just creates more mucus.
Yeah. Okay. Because we're not meant to have milk from other animals.
We're not. I mean, that's a whole other topic.
Animals milk from our bodies, but
it's the truth. You're not. All right. The number 13 is it helps with sores. So it kills the infection. Cold sores.
Yeah. So like if you have cold sores, I think even if you have like herpes, it'll help like prevent more breakouts because whatever it's doing to your body, it's making it harder for your body to break out into those cold sores and blisters, whatever.
Zaps that infection like that.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It just creates an environment where it just makes it harder for it to break out.
Oh, this one's a good one because we all need natural energy. It boosts energy by just drinking it.
I actually did not know that.
I didn't know that one either.
Nope.
Number 15, it's a natural teeth whitener. You could actually use this as a mouthwash and it will whiten your teeth because it kills all that
because it breaks through any kind of buildup and stuff like that.
And speaking of that, using it as a mouthwash, it also, if you have halitosis, it will kill that too because halitosis is caused by bad bacteria in your mouth.
Yeah, so
too much.
Like I don't even use, what is it called?
Mouthwash, Listerine?
Yeah, it's just too strong. It's way too strong. It's got like too much alcohol in there. I don't know what's going on, but it's way too strong.
This is better. This is great. Natural remedies, we're all about that.
So if you have like bad breath, it's amazing.
Number 16, it fights seasonal allergies, which is another good one for me because I suffer from asthma and I'm allergic to everything under the sun, which triggers my asthma.
We're in the pet store today and she got an asthma.
Seriously, I started getting an asthma. So I'm like, oh my God, just because of all the dogs that are not hyperallergenic, all the animals. And I love them so much, which is the worst thing you could do for an animal lover is give them allergies. God, why? Okay, the next one, number 17. Okay, so it boosts your immune system, which also battles culture. So I must have put that on twice. Okay, number 17. It's a sunburn treatment. If you actually mix a little apple cider vinegar with coconut oil and isn't that cool for sunburns? Some people like to add a little lavender to help soothe it even better. Aloe vera. You make your own little concoction and it's good for that. The one we were talking about before, number 18. It's a natural deodorant because it kills the bad bacteria. So you can use that topically.
You can use your little spray bottle and just spray it, or you can pour it on a cotton ball and then just wipe it.
Yes.
Like especially if you're rushing and you just stink, like you can't take a shower because you just went to the gym. That's so gross. You should take a shower, but you can't. Let's just say you can't. There's been times where you can't.
It has happened.
It will help you. It'll save your stinky armpit.
Okay. That's so gross. Okay, number 19. Oh, this is a good one. It's a natural household cleanser.
Yes.
You could use this instead of all those chemicals.
Especially if you're like really sensitive. I'm super sensitive to anything with chlorine in it. Like super sensitive. So you just take this. I wouldn't even dilute it. You just take this, put it in a spray bottle.
And just I would dilute it a little bit. And I would actually add maybe some other things to it.
Like to make it smell pretty?
Yeah, I love fabuloso, so I would put that in it to smell so good.
Fabuloso? But wouldn't that destroy the whole purpose of it?
I know, but I'm just saying, I would do that.
I wouldn't, but that's fine.
I like the smell. I'm all about good smells.
Just use it all natural. Especially like if you have an allergic child around, you can't use any of those yucky products. But if you want to go all natural, disinfectant.
I'm like, I know. All right, and the last one we have for you guys, it improves bone health. Okay, so this is one that I did not know. So it's really good for bone health and arthritis. That usually is found in acidic bodies. So since this alkaline too, that's why it helps with arthritis. Isn't that interesting? I didn't know that actually. I did not know that it helps with
bone health and
arthritis.
That's interesting. Yeah. Especially because like a lot of women have brittle bones because I guess not enough calcium in their body or something. But I know a lot of women suffer, especially as they get older, from that.
Not enough vitamin D. Ugh. so many
From
things.
brittle bones, they stuff like that. Was that 20?
Yes, guys, I'm telling you, just pick up a bottle. This is the brand I did
Open it
again.
and just like pour it all over yourself because you're just gonna be blessed by the holy water and you're gonna be just perfect.
I'm gonna keep you guys posted on if this
like
is
a
helping
goddess.
my skin thing that I got going on right now at the moment.
I can tell you guys, when I take it consistently, it definitely suppressed my appetite, made me sleep better at night. I loved it. I just got so tired of the taste of it.
I
But I
only did it
wasn't-
for a couple days. You were better than me.
Because I wasn't doing it like this, and I just
That's
thought
how
about
I would do it too, the shot way. Just chug it, you know, like
and then drink the water. Because if you try to do it the way Jess was doing it, where
It's horrible.
it's like you gotta taste it for too long, and it's just like
yeah.
turns you off. You're not gonna want to do it. So anyways, we really hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's a different video from us, but let us know what you thought down below in the description box. I'm telling you guys, this thing is amazing. We'll have our Amazon affiliate link down below for this. If you guys want to purchase it, thank you so much.
Also, let us know if there's any other videos that you want to see us make if you like these type of videos, because we want to do more of these, like just benefits to health and skin, because we're all about that beauty life. So
And we're always trying, you know, a more natural way. I mean, don't get me wrong, we like other stuff that are considered
we
unnatural.
fall off.
But yeah, we fall off the bandwagon.
We
But
try to
stay natural and
yeah.
healthy, because you can't go wrong going natural and healthy.
green is the way to be. Green is the best color, by the way.
It is.
Like
It's so lively.
it is.
It resonates with life. That's why they put the color of green on money, to make you think it's.
I was just gonna say that, but I didn't want to sound like a greedy little witch or something. Because I'm so
No, but it's like, I'm telling you, it's true. You're right. So anyways, like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification, and we will see you guys in our next video. Can't wait to hear down below from you.
love you guys.
Bye.